What's going on? Blake here with Trade Tracer. As always, none of this is financial advice. Trade and invest at your own risk. Let's go ahead and kick it off. We have the S&P pulled up here on a daily time frame, and we finally closed above the cloud in an uptrend. So this is a very positive sign. You can see on Thursday I highlighted, precisely where we started to back off. That was at the top of the cloud. This is just essentially the 50-day simple moving average. And on Friday gapped to our next level and then had some strength throughout the day. So the S&P does look really good. Ideally, what I would like to see is bull flag for a couple days, maybe come back, fill this gap, and then bull flag above the 50-day. Maybe we get a few days of consolidation in this range and then a break higher. That would give me a lot of conviction to add long and also press the gas, meaning getting long with leverage. So that's ideally what I would like to see. Will that happen? I have no clue. We could go straight up. We could fail and come right back down. But if this does happen, then I'm going to be extremely bullish and get longer. Obviously, Thursday and Friday, you had rules to trade and get long both the NASDAQ and the S&P, closing in an uptrend on Thursday on the NASDAQ. And then Friday, similar story, but closing right at the top of the cloud. So currently, the S&P is showing relative strength over the technology sector, and the Dow Jones is actually ripping. So the Dow Jones is leading. But of all three of these, I think probably the safest route, the best bet for the time being, is probably the S&P 500. Likely see more exposure in this in the investment portfolio. You saw us add Sky, SKYY, which was also on the trading playbook for a trade, and we have some upward targets of 117, 120, 125 on some of these fib extensions. It's looking like it wants to break out, so I still like this setup. Essentially we're just bull flagging at all-time highs on Sky, so nothing to be too concerned with there yet. As always, got to take a look at crypto. Bitcoin is leading the crypto markets, bull flagging once again, trying to make a push to those all-time highs. And then also Ethereum. You guys know I'm very bullish on Ethereum as well as Bitcoin. Kind of lagging right now at the moment. Definitely place to be parking your money in crypto is likely Bitcoin. It's been a long time since it's led, so we'll see if this strength continues. Definitely like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Just to wrap it up, we are in uptrend. Ideally, I would like to see a bull flag above the cloud before getting more long. And we're going to be focusing on relative strength this week, as we always do. So we have an uptrend, we have rules to trade, and we're going to be looking to see what the market throws at us this week. See you on Monday.